welding table should not have many wires here. This is the welding table, and this is a welding table for this table helps this table. Okay, this is my whole welding shop, all here. I hate wires, as I told you before. One only with the protection, and the other from above. Drilling machine. If I want to weld two parts together, very handy. This is the tools I usually use to hold something to weld, cleaning, and you know this. Holding together. I have an old welding machine, heavy. I have it so I don't get a new one. Bewegen. Any direction. Cute, isn't it?
Yes. I like the color.
How about him? And from this side, I have the cutting machine. Yeah, you close one eye and go down, and this must be parallel, together. Okay? I'm using number three, made in Greece, best. Here I have measure. Alles dabei.
Alles dabei.
This I change